Restore, coming from the dictionary, means to renew, to rebuild, to put on, to bring back into existence or use. But it also means to revive. So, if we are talking about restoring a generation, we are really talking about reviving a generation. But then what does revival mean? Revival literally means to restore or to bring back into existence or use the conscious life. Now, the conscious life really, that means something totally different. We'll get to that in a minute, but it also means to bring back into existence or use the normal state or conscious life or consciousness. So, what literally does it mean to be conscious? I'm just trying to read something real quick so we can move on. To be conscious literally means to be aware. It is the state or quality of being aware, especially of something within oneself. So, if we are talking about reviving consciousness in a generation, we must first recognize that the law of consciousness has got to be derived from something. Which means if I do not have the capability to function or to be aware, or I am morally depraved, I must come automatically to the conclusion that I must be brain dead. Miss that one. The law of conscious life means that one can be living but not morally conscious as to the actions that one has carried out. This is often categorized in Scripture as being reprobate. In Romans chapter 1, verse 28, he talks about, people not retaining in the mind the idea of God. And then when you do not retain God and you reject him out of your mind, what you have literally done is you have put yourself in a place now where I'm living, but I'm not living, if you catch where I'm going with this. So what happens is we have a lot of people who know how to live in